Hey, it's Danny Watkins, American Eagle Harley-Davidson. This week I get the new bike of the week. And folks, we got a real monster here. And what I say is it's a 2024 Road Glide. And we put the heavy breather on it with the Stage 4 135 Crate Engine. This thing is a beast. It sounds amazing. It runs good. You got to come take a look at this one. But again, the new 24 Road Glide with the easy opening saddlebags, the really nice tail lights that are real visible. And then again, it's got raised handlebars from the factory, the good looking wheels, sporty fenders on the front like the Fat Boy. Got the big instruments here with all the gauges and gadgets, navigation. But again, the motor, the 135 Crate Engine Stage 4, it's all covered under the warranty. Most a fella can do. Believe me, come take a look at this one. Just ask for Danny. We'll make it happen. Thank you.